am Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode I am making an easy cilantro lime rice that's great for Mexican or Asian nights. Here are my ingredients. I have rice, cilantro, lime, garlic, onion, salt, and oil. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start by chopping our onion. After chopping your onion, go ahead and set it aside. Now mince your garlic. After mincing your garlics, go ahead and set them aside. Now chop your cilantros. After chopping your cilantros, go ahead and set them aside. In a pot over medium heat, add your oil. We are going to saute these until they become softened and fragrant. Now add your garlic and your rice. Now we're going to cook the rice until it becomes translucent. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells so good. I love the smell of onions and garlic. It just smells amazing. Now add your water. And again, guys, it's up to you how much salt you put on this. And then just go ahead and give this a good mix. So a tip for you guys, after stirring the rice the first time, do not go in and stir it again because we don't want the rice to become sticky. So we'll allow this to boil and evaporate, and then we'll cover it. After the water has evaporated, go ahead and give it another stir before covering it to steam. And it looks amazing so far, and it smells so delicious. So we're going to cover this for 10 to 15 minutes to simmer. All right, guys, after 15 minutes, let's take a look at our rice. Let's take a look. Look how fluffy this is. It looks amazing. So what we're gonna do now is basically give this a toss before we add our lime and cilantro. So go in with your cilantro and just kind of scatter it on your rice. Take your lime and squeeze it right in here. After adding your lime, go ahead and give this a good mix. Make sure you get the bottom. And guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. How about that taste test? This rice looks and smells amazing, you guys. You just have to be here to even smell that. And oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Oh my gosh. So good. This rice is amazing. All the flavors are there. Give it a try. Come back, leave me a comment, and I'll catch you guys later.